Welcome to the Lion City where the Merlion awaits you. But before you can immerse yourself in the sights and sounds of Singapore, there's one important thing you need to do, and that is to fill out the SG arrival card. Don't worry, it's not a boring paper form that you have to fill out with a pen. It's an electronic version of the disembarkation and embarkation card that you can easily fill out on your phone or computer. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to use the SG arrival card so you can breeze through immigration and start exploring Singapore in no time. To access the SG arrival card, all you have to do is type SG arrival card into any search engine, and you'll be directed to the official website of the Immigration and Checkpoint Authority of Singapore. After accessing the page, take some time to go through the provided information to understand the requirements. And what you can expect to receive upon completing the registration. And some frequent asked questions. When you finish reading, select the Submit Online button, and you will be directed to the registration page for the SG arrival card. From there, select the Foreign Visitors option. On the Foreign Visitor page, it is important to carefully review the information required for the SG arrival card registration. Select the type of submission that suits you. After selecting the appropriate submission type, you can proceed to enter all the necessary information to complete the registration process. After you have successfully submitted your SG arrival card registration, an acknowledgement email should be sent to you. When arriving in Singapore, make sure to bring your travel documents, as well as either a PDF download of your SG arrival card, or an acknowledgement email in either hard copy or soft copy that will be sent to your email upon completion of the declaration. These documents will be presented to the ICA officer at the immigration counter. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please click and subscribe and comment below.